all this. We can use all this. So we can use a white background for making memes. So after adding this transparent background, then we can come and then add this plus button. So we can press it and then you go to the gallery, so press that and then you select. You can select the one that you want, so you can use this one here. So that's okay. So you can use that image. Then after that you can add the text that you want. So you can add the text. So you come and then you press this, that A, then you edit, you rub this one and then you add your own text. So sometimes when I see the ladies that I use to send money rather than my parents, I always believe that witchcraft is real. Then you add, so you add the text. After adding the text, so when you press A, so now we are at this A. There are so many options. We have delete. If you want to delete, we have this one is for copying. So this one is for copying. If you want to copy that, this one is to take you to the font. And then we have to go back. Then this is for positioning. So you can put it in the middle, or you can shift it to there, or down, or sideways like that. Then we have relative position. If you want to move it down, if you want to move it up, and so on and so forth. Then we also have this one for size. If you want to make it bigger, then we have this one for paddling. So you can shift it the way you want, to the left or to the right. That's okay. So we have this one for color. So you can add a black color, red, whichever color you want. So I go for black. Then texture, you can add any texture that you want. Then we have opacity. So opacity should can be 100% the best. or you can put shadow. You can put that one on, and then you add it the way you want. But as for me, 100 is okay. So to rotate, you can rotate it the way you want. Yes, but if you don't want, you can just cancel, press X, go to the font. So there are so many fonts available, but you can also download your own fonts. So as for me, because we are making a meme, we can use the meme font, and you press OK. It looks good. Then we also have this one, bold style. You can decide to use it. Also we have this one. We can also have a curve, so you can also use it if you want to make a curve, if you can see. So we don't need it. Can redo. Yeah, that's okay. Can redo. So after that, we have align. If you want to align, you can use that one. If you want to space, the right space, you can choose line spacing. It's okay, you can choose the one that you want. We also have to stroke. So if you want to stroke, you can press and click on it, and then you can stroke it with any color that you want, for black. Then you can stroke it the way you want. We have also shadow. You can put it on and do it. You can, all these ones you can just test, and you are good to go. So our meme is okay. You can also, if you want to add maybe your name, so like for example, you can add my recognition at Colostar. Then you can move it. You can move it down a suitable position. So you can put it here. So I can put it there. Then after that, can go to fonts. So for recognition, you can use this font here. You can use this one, this font here. Yeah, this font is okay, so you can use it. And then you can change the color. So I can go for that color, and then I can increase the size a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. I can change the background, maybe not white but black, maybe. Yeah, can change the background, and then I can stroke it. Or I can leave it the way it is. So after that, I think I am done. So what's remaining is simply to download this, to save it. So this icon here, you're gonna click on that, and then you save it, and then boom, you are good to go. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.